Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our chapter on chromatography. First we will study the introduction of chromatography. In Greek, chroma means color and graph means writing. Chromatography is an analytical technique that is widely used for separation, isolation and identification of closely related chemical components of complex mixture. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry (IUPAC) has recommended the definition of chromatography as it is the physical method of separation in which the components to be separated are distributed between two phases. Distributed means तकसीम करते हैं अपने आप को between two phases. One is the stationary phase and other one is the mobile phase. Stationary phase will remain static and mobile phase will move over it. So one of which is stationary while the other, the mobile phase, moves in a definite direction over it. Over it means over the stationary phase. Mobile phase will move over the stationary phase. Small history I will give you. The scientist Trizit was the first who discovered the term chromatography. He used this technique for the separation of pigments such as plant pigments. Next, the work was done by Martin and Saint. They developed the partition chromatography and Zwift developed the column chromatography. This technique allows the separation of components of a mixture on the basis of their nature, structure, size and other properties. Next we will come to different basic definitions of the chromatography. The first definition which we'll study is the sport, an inert material having a tendency to retain the liquid stationary phase on it is called sport. Next, stationary phase. The phase which remains fixed by a sport or does not move by incoming mobile phase. It may be solid or liquid. For example, filter paper, alumina or silica gel. The mobile phase, the mixture of solvents or gas which moves over the stationary phase to separate the sample into components. This is known as mobile phase. Look at the diagram. This diagram. In this diagram, I hang the filter paper in this form. This is this small view of the chromatographic tank. In this tank, the solvent mixture is present. This filter paper will act as the stationary phase, and the solvent mixture which will run over this filter paper, this will act as a mobile phase. This solvent mixture, you can see it, this faded area. This is the solvent mixture which is moving over this stationary phase. Next is the definition of adsorption. The physical attachment of the substances with other material is called adsorption. This is D. Adsorption is the surface phenomena. Next, adsorbent. The substance on whose surface component of mixture will attach, that is stationary phase, is called the adsorbent. This filter paper will call as adsorbent. The adsorbate. The substance whose molecules get adsorbed at the surface is called adsorbate. It means the sample mixture will call as the adsorbate. Filter paper, this which is the stationary phase, will known as adsorbent, and the phenomena is called overall adsorption. Next, the definition of elution. The removal of adsorbed species from a porous bed. Porous bed means you can say filter paper or chromatographic column by means of a stream of liquid or gas is called elution. This is the process. Removal of exhaust species from a porous bed or chromatographic column. After the completion of the chromatography process, then we remove the spores to analyze them. So this process will known as the elution. Then is the eluent. The liquid used to extract one material from another in chromatography is called eluent. The liquid means that such like that of mobile phase, which is used to extract one material from another in chromatography is called eluent. Next is the eluate. The product which emerges from the column or from test sample is called eluate. After the passing the eluent, then you will notice such type of spores. These spores will appear on the chromatogram, and these can be cut. These can be analyzed by different locating agents, or these are called as eluate. Next, chromatogram. The finished paper or thin layer plate having bands of color is called chromatogram. This type of paper on which spots will appear at the end, this paper will called as chromatogram. Resolution. Development. The method by which chromatographic process is carried out is called development. We will completely study the development process in our topics of paper chromatography and thin layer chromatography. So the whole process is known as the development. The method by which chromatographic process is carried out is called development. Next is the resolution. The degree of separation of compounds of similar characteristics is called resolution. Next, RF value. RF is the abbreviation of retention factor. It is the ratio of the distance traveled by a component to the distance traveled by the solvent. Distance traveled by the component divided by the distance traveled by the solvent. As it is ratio, so it has no unit. Both the distances are measured from the point of application of the